Everything you need to assemble the machine comes right in the box. Slide the bar through the holes to be bored and roughly center it with the setup cones. The setup cones are forced into the bore with a clamp ring jacking screw and locked onto the bar. Slide on the spherical bearing mounts with tack weld plates and tack weld them to the workpiece. Patented spherical bearings can be mounted up to 5 degrees out of perpendicular alignment. The spherical bearing mounts are available in single arm, double arm, universal, and ID mount styles. Remove the setup cones and replace the bar. The setup cones will adequately center the bar for most applications. If higher tolerances are required, use a dial indicator for precise alignment. Make final centering adjustments with the jacking screws. Slide the rotational drive onto the bar, firmly put it into the spherical mount and lock it into place. The axial feed unit is slipped onto the bar and the lead screw is screwed into the pocket on the rotational drive unit. Tighten the 2 clamping collars to lock the axial feed unit onto the bar. Tighten the rear clamping collar enough to be snug, but still allow the bar to slide through it. The axial feed unit can be mounted anywhere along the bar or even separate from the RDU using a tack weld block. Tool bits are available in high-speed steel or carbide. Place a cutting tool into a tooling hole or use a tool head for larger bores. The BB5000 has a boring range of 2.5 to 24 inches. Manually crank the axial feed unit to move your tool into position. Use a dial indicator or bore measuring tool to adjust the depth of cut. Lock in place with the set screw. The BB5000 is available in electric, servo-electric, hydraulic, or pneumatic motor configurations. Switching to a different motor option is quick and easy with a 2-bolt changeout process. Engage the axial feed unit in the direction you want to feed, forward or reverse. This can be done safely while the machine is running. As the machine begins cutting, adjust the feed rate as needed. Feed rates are infinitely variable from 0 to 0.018 inches per revolution. The BB5000 is capable of producing over 650 foot-pounds of torque at the bar. The depth of cut depends on rigidity of setup, type of tooling, and material. Placing your bearings closer together will improve rigidity and machining performance. With an optional small bore kit, you can bore as small as 1.375 inches in diameter. With a broad range of accessories, your BB5000 boring machine can be used for blind boring, line boring, drilling, facing, and valve repair. CLIMAX offers 3 different types of facing heads. The facing and grooving head has the added feature of cutting O-ring grooves while allowing varying feed rates without having to stop the facing head rotation. The adjustable range facing head allows facing in either direction, especially in small places or limited swing clearance. The heavy-duty facing head is perfect for the larger jobs, with a much higher metal removal rate and a larger facing diameter. For a quick and easy way to measure the bore diameter and tool height without removing the bar, CLIMAX offers a bore measuring tool, which can measure the tool height and bore diameter up to 24 inches, and a digital bore measuring caliper that can measure a diameter up to 24 inches. Quickly switch from boring to welding using this shared setup. You can even be line boring while bore welding in the same setup. The CLIMAX BB5000 portable boring machine goes to work where you go to work to get your equipment back up and running fast.